Number one, you're going to draw a graph for each inequality. Please understand how to read the inequality first. Okay? This symbol here looks like the letter L, so we're going to say this is a less than. This symbol here, that looks like a part of a G, so we're going to call this the greater than. Okay? So the first one, let's translate that. This means x, it is less than -5. So here we're going to have an open circle, and it goes all the way to the left because that is less than, and we draw the arrow. On the other side, for B, this is x, it is greater than, and the bar in the middle under the greater than symbol means the equal to. That means it's just closed at the 2. So here it's closed at the 2. Okay, and then because it says greater than, we go to the right. Look at the bottom two problems here. The issue is that the x isn't on the left, so that we are going to flip or mirror the entire thing. So notice we're going to put an x here, then this symbol is going to switch as well, and the -2 is on the right hand side. So all we did here was we basically rotated everything here. It's like that, then you rotate it again. Okay, you see how the x is on the left, the symbol flips, and the -2 is on the right. That's what's essentially happening. From here, we can now translate this. X is greater than -2. This means it's an open circle here at the -2. Since it is greater than, it goes to the right. Next, we also need to flip this or mirrored it completely. So the x is on the left, the inequality also changes side, and it's a 5 on the right hand side. Watch how I flip it. Look. Okay, do you see how the x is on the left, the inequality switches, and the 5 is on the right? Okay, I just rewrite it this way because I can translate it in English. X is greater than 5. That means it's an open circle on 5 and goes all the way to the right. So that is how you graph inequalities.